Good afternoon, everyone. I am Sergio Nicoletti, and I am with Cialetti in Grenoble, and I was the coordinator of the MIRPHAB project. Let's go to the topic very quickly. MIRPHAB was dedicated to the chemical sensing mainly in the mid-infrared range, and the goal of the project was mainly to support the adoption of the mid-infrared technology for sensing and helping bridging the valley between the I would say the first development of new devices and the market, boosting the industrial development of mid-infrared technology and the adoption of these technologies. And of course, it was a place where users and suppliers of this technology can meet, can discuss, can implement new applications by using the technology provided by the different partners of the project. Well, as Antonio said, we are now at the end of the project. We will have a lot of new things going on, and I will be presenting them later on during my presentation. Well, but it is very important to give a feedback concerning, give some hints about chemical sensing. It turns out that chemical sensing, when done with optical technologies, is very interesting because it can bring more performances in terms of capabilities. In particular, it can help going down to detection in traces. In the mid-infrared, this is particularly suitable because we have clear and intense fingerprints of the different molecules. Of course, we cannot detect everything by optical detection, but many of the molecules of interest have distinct and strong signature in this range. And when we are using lasers to do that, we can have real-time monitoring of those molecules. That was the basic of our project. And you have here a panel of molecules, but the list is not exhaustive. Many other can detect in the mid-infrared. And I would say the panel of application that we can address is very large and can go for, of course, monitor of processes to medicals to environmental pollution control, etc., etc. So, and you can find that many of these, all this information on the website of the project. Well, here I have a panel of solutions and products that have been developed thanks to the project or in collaboration with the supported by the project. And I will briefly go through the different devices that have been fabricated. Here, for example, we have a very compact external cavity QCL, which is able to span over 150 centimeter minus one with a very tiny emission line lower than 1 centimeter minus one. This is one of the very interesting result of the project. Then we have a device, an array of sensor, of infrared sensor fabricated by Vigo and implemented via the project. This can be useful for many applications where it is required to have a pre-image of the pattern that we are exploring. On the bottom, we have an implementation of an extended QCL sources coupling together two regions of the DFB, two DFB region that can be tuned to cover together with the temperature to cover up to 20 centimeter minus one, and for a single point, single region DFB sources is something that has never been supplied so far. Then we have a gallery of sources fabricated by Nanoplus, which were able to extend the coverage of the ICL sources up to 6 micron, and this is a big result thanks to the project. And last but not least, a miniaturized version of a photoacoustic gas sensor implemented by MIRSense and bringing together the capability to detect multiple gas in parallel using the photoacoustic detection, which is very known to be extremely suitable for miniaturization. And as you can see, the footprint is really small. Well, this is not the only result of the project. We have many other available. In particular, development made in collaboration with industrials, but unfortunately, due to the I would say confidentiality reason, we cannot disclose them. Well, as Antonio said, we are today at the last day of the project, but as Lavoisier said, nothing is created, nothing is destroyed, everything transformed, and this is what is happening to the MIRPHAB, which is now moving into the Mid-Infrared Alliance. This initiative has been launched about a month ago, and the aim of the alliance is to promote, once again, to take over with the development made by MIRPHAB, to promote the adoption of the mid-infrared technology. This time would be enlarged to any application in the mid-infrared, again, to be the agora, the place where the people using this technology can meet and discuss, presenting new technology, promoting novel application, and exploring the possibility to collaborate and to generate more application, more occasion to work together. Of course, we will not be limited to this part. The association has just been created, but in future, we would like to promote a coordinated action to improve the technology, the visibility of this technology, and to help partners working together, and to provide multiple simple surface, for example, to new adopters of this technology. Of course, this initiative is open to everyone interested in mid-infrared technology, and if you are interested to join, please get in contact with EPIC, which has been a valuable partner in the exploitation of this project, and talk with them to learn how to get involved in this initiative. Well, there are many initiatives already planned by the Mid-Infrared Alliance in collaboration with EPIC. The first one is going to happen on July 14th, and it will be dedicated to the mid-infrared technology for industrial manufacturing. Then we have a second event on September 22nd. Can you switch the slide, please? On mid-infrared technology for environmental monitoring, again in collaboration with EPIC, and last but not least, at least for this year, a third event on November 24th on mid-air technologies for security and surveillance. Well, this is my last slide. I would like to take this occasion to acknowledge and to thank all the partners of the project and all the people that have been discussing with us. It has been a long and very nice and very interesting adventure all together, and well, and I hope we will have the possibility to work together again within the Mid-Infrared Alliance, and to help all the potential users of this technology. Thank you.